Alright, it's time for another weird snack, and, well, to say weird, it's not a common flavour in the Western world. Going for sweet potato flavoured dorayaki. Should be quite intriguing. There's a lot of sweet potato type desserts in Japan, so let's see what this one's like. Okay, its appearance literally looks like two Scotch pancakes stuck together. Like, literally.
Bruh.
So, I mean, I like a good Scotch pancake. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not angry about this. So let's see, is it any good? It tastes like two Scotch pancakes stuck together. Okay. There's the filling. Okay, very dry as a whole. Would be really good with a nice drink. Just like a glass of milk or something like that would be perfect with this, actually. Honestly though, really good. Not gonna lie, really, really good. Quite pleasantly surprised. Sweet potatoes desserts. Certainly works well for the weird snack. What else should we try?